mas nakakatakot ngayon kasi hindi mo lang isipin yung sarili mo. So, parang dalawa kayo, dapat maging isa.
Ano po yung ano namin, galaw-galaw? Kasi baka pag nasa stage na naman kami, baka nasa isang nasa isang place na lang tayo, hindi naman, opo, ganun. Baka hindi naman kami makagalaw.
Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that a physical thing defines what's within. I've been there before, but that life's so full of a superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything. But everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Yeah.
Some people search for promises forever young. Some people need 3,000 roses, and that's the only way you prove you never leave together.
Hand me the world and a silver platter, and what good would it be? With no one to share, with no one who truly cares for me.
Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you.
Some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything. But everything means nothing if I ain't got you. If I ain't got you with me, baby. If I ain't got you.
If you ain't got each other, ano kaya mangyayari sa inyong pares? Nako, tingnan natin kung na-impress ninyo ang ating jury. Juror Gerard?
Hanep, that was really good. Pati yung kulot sabay na sabay. It was great. Yung konting diction issues lang, pero if you can just work on that. Woo! Okay na to.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Gerard. Scholars, congratulations. Good performance. It was a great performance. He liked it. You may now go back inside the academy. Thank you.